Hello and welcome everyone in today's EVS to Trade. Today we are going to see remaining part of lesson number 18, that is management of the welfare state of Swaraj. We are going to see new point, that is can you tell. First, name the market in your village or locality. This is nearby a village or locality. Which market is that? That market name your trade. Next, how did the market acquire that name? It's how that market got that name. That you have to write. Next point we are going to see, that is the sea trade and other markets. Here sea trade. Trade means what? Buying and selling of goods. Now, goods means things like cloths, chappals, vegetable, eatable things. All these things come under the goods. Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swarajya well and to establish his rule over the sea adjoining Swarajya. Adjoining is what? Near. Now, for what reason Shivaji Maharaj has established independent navy? To protect his Swarajya well. Means for Swarajya it should get the support or protection from the sea. For that he has established independent navy and also to establish his own rule over the sea adjoining Swarajya. Means nearby sea which Swarajya part is there. There also Shivaji's own rule should be there. For that reason also Shivaji Maharaj has established independent navy, means his own navy. But that was not all. He also had special cargo ships built to promote trade in Swarajya. Cargo ship means merchant ship to carry goods. Means for buying and selling goods, which ship is used. That's called cargo ship, or we can say merchant ship. This cargo ship Shivaji has built to promote, means to progress trade in Swarajya. He developed trade ports like Rajapur. Ports means what? A place where ships load and unload. Is whatever material it is brought by ship, it is unload, and where the ship is load, that place it is called port. Trade port means where buying and selling it is done. That port is built by or developed by Shivaji Maharaj. That is called Rajapur. He started a separate marketplace at Khed Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplaces in big towns and roadside villages. Means which roadside villages are there? There are Shivaji Maharaj developed what? Marketplaces. Means he started market. A new pet or settlement was established at Pasha near Pune by the order of Veermata Jizabai. It was referred as a Jizapur. Now on the order of Veermata Jizabai, Shivaji Maharaj had established a new pet or settlement, means we call colony, where at Pasha near Pune. So that settlement it was known as Jizapur. Settlement means what? Colony. Shivaji Maharaj levied, means demand or charge more taxes on goods imported from the other side regions to promote trade within Swarajya. Means which goods are imported, means from brought from other state, other from other country. On that Shivaji Maharaj used to take more tax or charge more tax. For what reason? To promote. To promote means to develop the trade within a Swarajya. He levied more tax on the salt produce in the Portuguese territory, which made it costlier. In Portuguese territory, with salt production it was there. On that Shivaji Maharaj charged more tax. So it was a costlier, means more money it is needed for that salt. On the other hand, he reduced, means make less, the tax on the salt produce. Produce means what? Production in Swarajya, so that people could buy it at a cheaper rate. On the other hand, what Shivaji Maharaj has done, he took less tax on the production which is produced in the Swarajya, so people can buy it at a cheaper rate. Cheaper rate means what? Low in price, means within a less price they can purchase salt. Like that Shivaji Maharaj has helped people by taking a less tax. Naturally, it led to an increase in the trade of salt produce in Swarajya, means salt production it increased in Swarajya. Thus local trade was encouraged. Local trade, which is that is encouraged, means supported because of Shivaji. Local means what? Here relate to particular area. which trade was going on, it was supported by Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj made efforts for the growth of trade and industry in Swarajya. He personally made sure that his subjects, means peoples, would not be cheated by the merchants in any way. Merchants means what? A person who buy and sell goods on a large scale. Shivaji Maharaj has personally made sure that our subjects, means people, should not be cheated by merchants in any way. When he came to know that people are being cheated in the coconut and betel nut trade in Konkan, he warned the Subedar of that region. Means some peoples were cheated in the coconut and betel nut trade in Konkan. Betel nut means what? Supari. The trade of betel nut and coconut, some peoples were cheated. So Shivaji Maharaj warned the Subedar belong to that region. Next point we are going to see, that is high regards with concern or attention for women. Shivaji Maharaj had ordered that the women and children in the enemy camp were not to be harmed in any way during the period of war. During the war, if we attack on the enemy, that time in enemy camp maybe their children, women are there. That time our people should not harm or trouble that women or children. Like this order Shivaji Maharaj has given to our people. In fact, they were to be treated with great respect. Means for women and children, respect should be given, like the Shivaji Maharaj told. The behavior of Shivaji Maharaj on several occasions set an ideal, means example of how women were to be treated. Means many occasions you have seen when Shivaji Maharaj done attack on Shahid Khan, Afzal Khan, other many places he done attack. That time he has given or he has set a ideal, a great one example that how should be treated with the woman. The Maratha army had marched, means walked upon Belavadi in Karnataka to vanquish, means capture the fortress there. Fortress means what? Fort. Malama Desai, a great woman, fought a great battle in defense of the fortress. Means in Belavadi one fort was there, and in the defense, means to protect that fort, who fought bravely? Malama Desai. She's one lady. When Shivaji Maharaj come to know about her courage, he called her his younger sister, returned her fortress and villages to her with honor, and gave her the title Savitri. Means what Shivaji Maharaj has done. See, when he come to know that Malama Desai, he has given protection for that fort, or he has protected this fort from the Maratha army. That time Shivaji Maharaj, he come to know about her courage. So he called her as a younger sister and returned her fortress and villages to her with honor, and gave her title what? Savitri. Remaining part of this lesson we'll see in next video. Today's homework, students, you have to read page number 74 from EVS to textbook. Thank you.